Arlen, big cities can be scary, right?
Oh, yes. Big noise, big buildings, big people, big everything.
And the biggest problem.
Speaking English when you don't know what to say.
Today we help you survive in a big city in English.
Welcome to How to Survive in a Big City in English,
Hi, friends. Welcome back to the English Leap podcast.
the podcast where you learn English in an easy, warm, friendly way.
No stress,
No pressure,
just real conversation.
and simple phrases you can use today.
Today's topic is very useful, surviving in a big city.
Important for travelers, students, workers, and beginners.
So stay with us,
And don't forget to like this video
subscribe to the channel.
and share it with your friends.
Okay, Arlen, ready to survive?
Ready to survive and teach English at the same time.
So, Arlen, let me tell you something funny about my first day in a big city.
Oh no, these stories are always good. Tell me everything.
I was 19.
That's already scary.
I moved from a small town to a huge city.
Like millions of people?
Yes, big buildings, big roads, big shops, big everything.
Big panic also.
Yes, big panic.
What happened?
Well, first I got lost.
On day one?
On minute one,
That is a new record.
I came out of the train station
Okay.
and I looked around
Okay.
and I said, "Where am I?" Everything looked the same.
Big cities do that.
I had no map.
Oh no.
I had no internet.
Oh no.
And my phone battery was dying.
This is how movies start.
Yes, a scary movie.
So what did you do?
I went to a coffee shop to ask for help.
Good idea.
I entered and said, "Hello, can you help me?"
Good start.
The woman behind the counter said, "Sure, what do you need?"
And?
I forgot the name of the street I wanted to go to.
No.
Completely forgot.
So what did you do?
I panicked and said, "I need, the place with the thing near the building."
That is not helpful at all.
She looked at me like I was speaking another language.
Well, you were.
Yes, and then she gave me the most important advice.
Tell me.
She said, "Sweetie, in a big city, you must know a few basic English phrases. Without them, you are lost."
She is right.
She said, "Learn how to ask for help. Learn how to ask for directions. Learn how to ask for prices. Learn how to talk to people."
Good advice.
And that moment changed my life.
Really?
Yes, because I realized English is not about grammar.
True.
English is about survival.
Yes.
And from that moment, I started learning city survival English.
And today?
Today, we teach you the same phrases.
So you never panic like Liora.
Please, please learn from my mistakes.
Let's be honest. Big cities are confusing.
Yes, too many streets.
Too many people.
Too many signs.
Too many buses.
Too many noises.
And too many choices of coffee.
True.
But English can make everything easier.
Yes, with the right phrases, you feel safe.
You feel strong.
You feel confident.
You feel like a city superhero.
Okay, Arlen, calm down.
Sorry, I get excited.
But seriously, a few simple phrases can help you survive anything.
And we will teach you all of them today.
For beginners,
For shy learners.
for travelers.
And for anyone living in a big English-speaking city.
Let's start with basic survival.
Yes, the #1 survival skill, asking for help.
This is simple.
This is polite.
This is powerful.
Use this when you are lost
Or confused.
or scared.
Or just need information. Example. "Excuse me, can you help me find this street?"
Perfect. Repeat after us. Excuse me, can you help me?
This is important for directions. Example. "I'm looking for the train station."
Or, I'm looking for the bus stop. Or, I'm looking for this address. Repeat. I'm looking for.
This means what is the best way.
Example. How do I get there? Bus or metro?
Very useful in big cities. Sometimes you cannot understand words.
But you can understand a map.
Ask them to point on your phone.
Or draw a line.
Very beginner-friendly. Repeat. Can you show me on the map?
So, Liora, after the coffee shop moment,
My life changed.
really?
Yes.
What happened next?
I started practicing these phrases.
With real people?
Yes.
How did it go?
Very funny.
Tell me.
I went to a street cleaning worker,
Okay.
and I said, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Good start.
He smiled and said, "Yes, young lady, what do you need?"
Good man.
I said, "I'm looking for Baker Street."
Okay.
He said, "It's not far. Just walk straight and turn left."
Nice.
And then I asked, "Can you show me on the map?"
And?
He took my phone
Uh-oh.
and he zoomed the map so much that he only saw the corner of a building.
But he was trying.
That's what matters. I thanked him and walked.
And you found it.
After 20 minutes, yes.
That's still a win.
Yes, I felt proud.
Because you used English.
Yes. And in a big city, you must speak.
You cannot stay silent.
You cannot freeze.
You must communicate.
Even if your English is not perfect.
Especially if it's not perfect, because practice is survival.
Now let's talk about the biggest part of a city, transportation.
Oh, yes. Buses, metros, taxis, trams.
And traffic.
So much traffic.
But we teach useful phrases for transportation survival.
Which bus goes to...
Which bus goes to downtown?
Which bus goes to the airport? Very important. Repeat, where is the metro station?
For buses, metro, trains.
Example, how much is the ticket to Central Station?
Because many metro lines require changing.
Example, do I need to change trains at Green Line?
Useful when you don't want to miss your stop. Arlen, did you ever get lost in a metro?
Of course.
Tell us.
Once, I was in a huge city. 10 million people.
Scary already.
I entered a metro station.
Okay.
I looked at the map.
And?
It looked like spaghetti. So many lines, red, blue, green, yellow.
I know that feeling.
I asked a guard, "How do I get to Central Park?"
Good.
He said, "Take blue line, then change to green line, then change again to red line."
Oh, no.
I said, "Sir, is there a direct train?" He said, "Yes, taxi." That is the best answer.
I took the taxi.
Good choice.
But that day, I learned something.
What?
I always ask for the easiest route, not the perfect route.
That is survival English.
Yes.
And today, we teach that to our listeners.
Okay, friends, now you practice.
Say them with us.
Excuse me, can you help me?
I'm looking for the metro station.
I'm looking for the metro station.
How do I get there?
Is it far?
Can you show me on the map?
Okay, Liora. We talked about getting lost, asking for directions, and transportation.
Yes, and honestly, that alone is a full survival mission.
True, but big cities have many more challenges,
Yes, like food,
like shopping,
like safety,
like dealing with strangers,
like ordering things.
and like understanding fast English.
Yes, that is the biggest one.
Liora, be honest. Do people in big cities talk slowly?
No.
Do they repeat things?
No.
Do they speak clearly?
Not always.
So what do beginners do?
They panic.
True.
But we are here to help our listeners not panic.
Yes, we teach survival skills.
Use this when someone speaks too fast.
People will usually repeat more slowly.
Example, "Sorry, could you say that again, please?" Repeat it. "Where is the bread? Where's the milk? Where's the medicine section?" Repeat. "Where is the..."
Useful in clothing stores.
Example, "Do you have this in medium?" Repeat. "Do you have this in another size?"
Very useful.
Especially in big cities with expensive prices.
Repeat. Is there a discount?
Helpful when the shopkeeper asks, "Can I help you?"
This phrase is polite
and safe.
Repeat. I'm just looking, thank you.
Liora, tell them the sugar story.
Oh no!
Yes.
Fine. I went to a store to buy sugar.
Simple mission.
The problem was all labels were in English.
And you were a beginner.
Yes.
So what happened?
I saw a bag with white crystals.
I saw a bag with white crystals.
The label said salt.
Oh no.
But I thought salt and sugar look similar.
But they are not the same.
Yes. I learned that the hard way.
What did you do?
I baked a cake.
No.
Yes.
With salt.
With lots of salt.
That is a crime.
The cake tasted like the ocean. My family cried.
I would cry too.
Lesson. Always read the label carefully.
Big city survival also means staying safe.
Yes. Taxis, Uber, Bolt, Lyft.
So many services.
But you need the right English phrases.
Example. I want to go to downtown. I want to go to Central Mall.
Repeat. I want to go to...
Very important when you reach your location,
Or when you panic and want to get out early.
which is normal.
Repeat. Please stop here.
Sometimes drivers take long routes.
This phrase saves time and money.
Repeat. Can you take the fastest route?
You once told me you took the wrong taxi.
Let's never talk about that.
No, we must.
Fine.
Listeners, Arlen entered a taxi.
It looked like a taxi.
It was not a taxi.
It was a random person's car.
He sat in the back seat.
The driver looked at me like, "Who are you?"
And Arlen said,
Take me to the station.
the driver said,
I am not a taxi. I ran away.
So embarrassing.
Yes.
Listeners, always check the taxi sign.
Yes. Survival lesson number 422.
Repeat these phrases after us. Where is the bread? Do you have this in medium? Is there a discount? I'm just looking, thank you. Please stop here. Can you take the fastest route?
Great job.
Your English is growing.
Your confidence is growing.
And your city survival power is growing.